everyone, today's question for this practice test is what will be the last value of the table when you choose a percentage difference related to the next value in the quick table calculation. Okay, so first we'll try to understand what is quick table calculation. When you drag this order date to the rows and drag measures to the text, so if you right click on this measure, you can see the option quick table calculation. So quick table calculation is nothing but a table calculation. Instead of writing the calculation from our end, if we choose these options, Tableau will write calculations for us. For example, if I choose the running table here, running total here, and then double click, you can see the calculation behind that. It is similar to the calculation that we write in the calculated field. You can simply create a calculated field and write the same calculation here. It will give the same results. You can drag and drop and see we have the same results. Okay, so I think now we understand what is quick table calculation. Next we will see the direction of the calculation. Okay, now I have chosen the running total, so instead of that I will choose difference. Okay, if I choose the difference, it's getting the difference from the previous value by default. Okay, if I drag actual sales and see the value, right click, choose discrete. So this value is the difference of 2021 and 2020. This value is the difference of 2022 and 2021. Okay, if you want to find the difference instead of 2021 and 2020, you want the difference 2020 and 2021. Okay, so for that you need to change the relative value. Right click and edit table calculation, and here relative to our calculation is being performed related to the previous value. Okay, so we have asked to calculate the difference. Okay, so it's getting the difference from the previous value. Instead you want the previous from the next value, like that. If I select the next here, you can see 2020 value, the output is, so here we are seeing the output, so the output is 2020 minus next value, that is 2021. So this is how we can change the direction of calculation that is being performed. And also you can by looking at the calculation, you can see if triangle symbol is there, then you can say that that is a quick table calculation. Okay, this triangle here. Next we will see the question and try to answer that. So here the question is, what will be the last value when you choose percentage of difference relative to next in the quick table calculation? So let's select percentage difference. Right click, let me remove that everything. Now that we have sales in the text, right click, choose quick table calculation, then select percentage difference. Okay, now it's giving the percentage difference from the previous value. So previous value, and you can double click and see the calculation behind that. Okay, now it's giving the value from the previous. So our question is relative to next. We need to select relative to next. To select that option, you need to right click and then edit table calculation. If you edit the table calculation and select relative to next, now you can see what is the value, last value present in this table. So what will be the last value of the table? So last value of the table is null. So answer to our question is the null.